So today I'm here to talk about line crossing, which is a function on most modern security cameras. So this channel is all about using technology to keep people safe, if that be personal alarms or security cameras and security alarms for houses and businesses. So if you're interested in learning about that, consider subscribing, liking and commenting. Okay, so we're now about to set up line crossing. The first thing I am going to do is log in. Let's say we get a video feed, and it's good. We want to focus on this camera over here. We're going to click on configuration, then click on event, find smart, then find line crossing, then select the camera, in this case camera 2. I'm going to enable this line crossing detection for this camera, and I'm going to click on draw area. I'm going to select this as my area. This is now capturing from both directions, so if a vehicle or somebody walked in from the direction of the silver car to the blue car, it would show, and if somebody walked from the direction of the blue car to the silver car, it would also alert, not really show, but it would alert, it send an email, it would do whatever I want to do in linked actions. If I set it to A to B, it will now detect anything from the silver car to the blue car, but if someone was to go from the blue car to the silver car, it won't detect that. With B to A, somebody could walk from this blue car to the silver car and it will detect. Someone could walk from the silver car to the blue car and it won't detect it. It's really clever how it can tell what direction it's in, but I'm going to select that to both directions. Click save. We also have sensitivity controls here and also a schedule. So if we only want line crossing to be detecting or working when we're out of the office, then we can do it too when we're out of the office. Now this is a residential street, so we want to do it all day. So 24 hours is the default. And now click on linkage method. I'm going to set audible warning. I'm also going to set up full screen monitoring. Not set up, I'm going to check full screen monitoring. And the trigger channel is A2. Click save. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to walk down and hopefully it'll catch me. Walking away from camera. Running towards camera. Running away from camera. Running towards camera. Walking away from camera. Walking towards camera. Slowly walking away from camera. Slowly walking towards camera. So in my test where I ran away from the camera, it doesn't seem to have picked me up. I believe that is just a sensitivity issue, so if I would have made the sensitivity a little bit higher, I would have been detected. I don't think people would be running, that would be a bit suspicious. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like, subscribe, and one more thing, please share if you found this video informative and helpful.